Why is it that some men get admiration that they want from their wives without ever demanding it, while others feel ignored, no matter what they do or how much they do it? I'm Natalie. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. In this video, I'll show you the exact type of men women deeply respect and how to become that man right now. Point number 1, self-respect before respect. Women respect men who respect themselves, right? Through discipline, presence, and integrity. Without that, no amount of demands will ever work. High value men keep their word to themselves. They stay disciplined, handle their health, and live in integrity. Women don't respect men who tolerate their own bad habits. I'm sure it's the same way for you. Respect starts with the man in the mirror. If she sees you that you are disciplined and staying healthy, you really care about what truly matters to you, that is infectious. That is leadership. She can't help the fact to do the same for herself and also to support you in it. That confidence that you bring in the marriage, she wants to be a part of that mission, of that conviction that you have. It starts with self-respect in order to receive that respect at home. If you want to build that kind of respect in your marriage, grab the free marriage ROI toolkit below in the description or pinned comment. Point number 2, the man with vision. We all know if you have no vision in business, if you have no vision in life, what will happen? A man without a vision will perish. What is the vision for your marriage? What is the vision for your health? What is the vision for your leadership? What is the vision for your parenting style? What is the vision for your overall life? Those different aspects of your life, do you have a vision for? Right now, we're talking about vision in marriage. If you don't have a vision, what do you think is going to happen? If you don't have a plan for your marriage, someone else will. Same thing with your kids. We don't know how we're going to get there. It's not about the how. It's about that picture in our mind, that vision that we want to live, right? So taking the time to dream again. We forget that as adults, we just forget to dream. A true leader in the marketplace has a vision. A man without direction feels like weight, right? But a man with vision who knows where he's going and invites her wife into it, that's magnetic. She respects him because he's not drifting, he's leading. Point number 3, the man who balances strength and empathy. So let me tell you, strength alone can feel cold. You need both. Empathy alone can feel weak. High value men blend the two, decisive and firm, but also attentive and caring. That balance makes her feel safe to follow. And women, we desire to feel safe. We like stability. We enjoy security as well. If this is landing with you, if you're resonating with this, download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It has 5 tools to help you build the respect, intimacy, and alignment you've been craving at your home. Link is below for you. Point number 4, the man who protects her peace. Any other man can protect assets, but a high value man protects atmosphere. He doesn't allow chaos, sarcasm, or constant negativity to rule the home. He stops it immediately. He sets the tone so she can relax in his presence and leadership. Point number 5, the man who confronts directly and head on in a skillful way. Silence kills respect, bottom line. Avoidance builds resentment and bitterness, right? So high value men confront issues calmly and directly, never in anger, but never in passivity either. She respects a man who has the courage to face the problems. That creates safety for her to follow you and learn from you. Point number 6, the man who practices gratitude. That is a huge one. And we kind of often take this one for granted because it is what it is, unfortunately. But when you are aware of those things, even just gratitude alone in your marriage, respect erodes when effort goes unseen. Elite men don't assume she knows they're grateful. They say it daily, intentionally, specifically. Gratitude reinforces admiration. Point number 7, the man who lives with integrity everywhere. What you do in private matters. Your true colors shine in private, in closed doors. A man who cheats in small ways, lies, break promises, cut corners, loses respect fast. A man whose word is law, she admires him without any hesitation at all. One of the biggest things I admire about in my relationship with him is His integrity is off the roof. His integrity matches what he does at home, and it also matches what he does in business. That's true leadership right there. I don't know who else is that trustworthy to keep his word and those morals and those values. And to me, I find that extremely admirable and makes me be so grateful to even have him. And to me, that's sexy. I don't know how other women view that, but to me, that is sexy, and we need more of that. We don't see that enough in today's culture. We need to bring that back. Be that man that your wife admires. Bring that back into your marriage, and that alone will fuel you in ways you never thought it could ever do. Listen to me. Women respect this type of man, not because he demands it, but because he embodies it. I really suggest downloading the free marriage ROI toolkit in the description or pinned comment below, because inside you will have 5 tools to build respect and alignment in your home so your marriage becomes your greatest asset. Watch it flourish, watch it evolve. Download it now. I'm looking forward to hearing your results from it.